Welcome to VizCourse and welcome to the Forest Pack Pro module here at VizCourse. Thank you for purchasing the course and thank you for the support. In this very first lesson, we are just going to cover the actual toolbar that we see right over here when we install Forest Pack Pro. So the very first button right over here is the Forest Pack Pro button. So if we click on that, we are going to be able to create or generate our Forest Pack Pro, which we'll discuss in the very next lesson. If you do not like using the button right over there, you can navigate to this panel, Geometry. The drop-down box is i2 Software and then Forest Pack Pro. Next is the FLOD, that is the Forest Pack Level of Detail. Now this is a really awesome function which we're going to dive into in another lesson. Basically what this is going to allow us to do is to control the level of detail of our objects depending on how far away we are from the actual camera, meaning objects very close to the camera will be very high res, medium length will be at medium res, and then the very far objects in the distance, we can have those at low res, which is going to save a lot of CPU energy and rendering time. Next is forest sets. This is a great feature as well. It's got its own lesson. We'll discuss that in a bit. This one over here is the forest tools. So if I click on this, it gives me this menu right over here. We'll discuss that a bit later, but to basically give you an idea what this is going to do for us, we are able to convert a Forest Pack Pro item into an instance geometry, which means we can share that to another PC or workstation that does not have Forest Pack Pro. This button over here is the Forest Lister. This is going to show all the Forest Pack Pro items that we have in our scene, and it's going to be very easy to use this lister to select the ones we want. We can see the stats, which ones are working, not working, so this is going to be a great feature as well. Over here we have the library. So this is the built-in library that comes with Forest Pack Pro. It's got everything that we need at the moment. We've got 2D, 3D, and some great presets, so you can scroll through and have a look at all the awesome things we can do. Through this entire course, we will use the library browser, and then we're going to learn how to create our own structured library, which means we can actually use external 3D models with the Forest Pack Pro. We are not limited to just using Forest Pack Pro's 3D models, we can use our own. So we'll dive through all of these in a lot of detail and fully understand. Once you've installed everything, you can dock this menu wherever you feel comfortable with it. And in the next lesson, we'll actually create our very first Forest Pack Pro, go through a couple of settings and see some awesome features that we can use with this.